Hi and Assalamualaikum doctor. This is group 15 video essay assignment and this is our member group name and matrix number. So we have learned 7 new Excel functions that the ratio figures going to discuss about index and match function, followed by Kirutiga talk about counter or unique, then Sarah Jasmine about filter function, Bohyam talk about sum is, Fredika about if error, Alicia about text join and Zenzin about text before, text after and group 5. So we started with the first member. Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I want to talk about combination of two functions which is index and match. So here we have the data for advertising companies. For index is actually like a great driver. You tell the location and then the driver pick up you. So for index for the array we know the answer is gonna be in this data range. We want to choose the row and also the column. So without looking the exactly data, so I want to choose row number 2 and also column number 5. We can get the answer 50431, which in match is actually like a Google Maps where you can tell the exactly coordinate about what data we are looking for. Lookup value we want to find this, and the lookup array we know it's someone in click. Here the match we usually choose 0 99% of the time we choose 0, which is exact match. Same goes with the column also. We match so lookup value we want to find this, so the lookup array we know it's somewhere in here. Now we know that the answer for 50431, the exact coordinate is at the row 2 column number 5. So here we want to know about the revenue, click impression, CPC, and we can only use index and match to find information, and we just can drag the formula. First we need to find the index. All the data range is in here, so we select all of it. Match we want to find about 2036 mango. So 2036 mango is somewhere in here, so we choose here, and then we want exact match. We want to know about the revenue, right? So we once again we use match, and then we look up for revenue, and then we know revenue is somewhere in this header, so we choose this header. So as a match, so now we already get the answer 1184,779. Then we just drag the formula. As you can see, we drag the formula. We got all the answer for the revenue, click, price, and CPC, and also cost for a few company that we want. So it's much useful for if your company have a big data and you just want a few of them. So we can just use an index and match to get all this data. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kiritiga here and today I'm going to show you how to use the Excel functions counter and unique. Here we have a table with employee names and the departments. First to count the total number of employees, we use counter with unique and select the employee name column. It gives us a total of 17 employees. Next, to find the total number of departments, we'll repeat the same process, but this time we'll be selecting the department column. It will give us 9 departments. Counter helps by counting all non-empty cells, allowing you to track total entries quickly while saving time and reducing errors, while Unique displays only distinct values, removes duplicates, and improves overall data accuracy. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Sarah Jasmine Islamia and my matrix number is 25006979. And today I want to show you guys how to use filter function in Excel. So basically, filter is useful to filter data based on certain conditions, and the result will automatically update whenever the data change. For example, I have the math score of student from class 5 Bestari. Here we have column for their names, class and marks. Now I want to filter out the student who got an A, which means those who scored 70 or above. So we need to type equal filter, then select our whole table. Next, select the mark column because we want to filter based on the marks. Then type greater than equal, followed by 70, since we want student who score 70 or more, which is grade A. After that, we can type here grade A, then press enter, and the table will automatically appear showing only the 6 students who got grade A. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Frederica Lim Shuing. So today I'll be demonstrating the Excel function called ifError. ifError is used to handle formula errors by replacing them with a custom and meaningful value. In this example, I'm calculating sales commission by dividing sales by target and multiplying by the commission rate. However, in real life, business data often contains missing or invalid values such as zero targets or empty sales. Without ifError, this situation would cause error message like div/0 to appear in the report. Like this. So by using ifError, these errors are replaced with not applicable, while other data will shows valid calculation, still return numerical results. So this actually ensures the report remains clean, professional, and easy to understand for decision making. So that's all for ifError function. Thank you.
Tables show the name of employee, their ID, department, and also salary. What you can see here is we got two requirements, which is exactly from the production department. So we want to find her salary. So we need to use the formula which is sum ifs. So why don't we use the sum if? Because sum if is for only one requirement, but sum ifs is for more than one requirement. So the first one is sum range. Okay, the result we want is salary. So the sum range is from here, the range, salary range. And we comma. Criteria range 1, which is name. Range is from here, the name range, comma. Then criteria 1 is Izzati. From here, we need to find Izzati. So we choose this one. Okay, criteria range 2 is for range from department, which is this one. And the criteria 2 is production. We choose here and then we enter, we get 5,000. Okay, what we can see from here is Izzati, production department, and her salary is 5,000. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alisha, and next I will show an example of text join function. So in this case, I have 3 tasks assigned for students in an assignment. So we can see there are 3 tasks. So I want to combine all these tasks in one single cell. So in this case, we can use the text join function. So you type text joins, and then you use quotation mark, comma, space quotation mark, and then comma, and then we choose true to ignore the empty cells, and then comma, and then we select all the tasks assigned here. So and then we enter, so you can see all the tasks assigned for one student, and then to complete the other students, we just drag it down the formula. So and then we enter, and then you can see the task assigned already combined in one single cell. So we can see that the blank space here is completely ignored. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the text before and text after function. So basically, these two functions will take everything after or everything before the specific character that we chosen. For example, for the first name, we can use text after. So we have to find from A2, the comma sign will be our specific character, and we get John. And for the last name, we want to find all the things before the comma sign, so we use text before. For department names, it's also the same. We want to use text before, then B2. And this time the dash sign will be our specific character. And to find all the revenue, can use group by. We differentiate by departments. So this name, then revenue from here, and sum of it. So we can get the total revenue of 6,650.